Paradise Cat Cafe. She's always wrong. The Cat Cafe. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thumbs Up Sisters. Today it's our very first vlog. We're gonna go to the Paradise Cat Cafe. So lovely day out today. Daddy, look. These two are already sick. Does he have a name? No. Does he have a name? No. Husky! They have more husky! It's not. Her name is Tomato. Wow. Before we get more angry. So what can I do? Whoa. Here's our details.
Are you having fun?
Hi, Mommy.
Kidding.
Want to see the cat? I don't know. Hello. Cat buffet. Oh. Oh, good job. Okay, so this is Luna, and Luna's always here. Hi, babies.
Yeah.
Oh, Tomato was out. He's so cute. She's sick already.
Which one is sick?
This one. This cat is in a basket. Okay, that's the end of it. It's my first time vlog. See you guys next time.